Frustrated with Windows Update errors that just won't go away? Don't worry, you are not alone. And today we will show you exactly how to fix them. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips, fixes and smart solutions. In this video, we are tackling those annoying Windows Update errors that can stop your system from staying up to date. Let's dive in. Method 1. Clear the software distribution folder. Windows stores temporary update files in a folder called Software Distribution. If these files become corrupt, updates fail. Clearing this folder forces Windows to re-download clean update files. Here is how to do it. Open File Explorer, navigate to this PC, then local disk, then Windows. Find and double-click the folder called Software Distribution. Press Ctrl+A to select all files inside. Press Delete on your keyboard to remove them. Admin permission may be needed. This helps fix stuck or broken updates instantly. Method 2. Run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. The Windows Update Troubleshooter is a built-in tool that automatically detects and repairs many common update issues. How to do it? Press the Start button and type Troubleshoot. Open Troubleshoot Settings. Click on Other Troubleshooters. Find Windows Update, then click on Run. Let it detect and try to fix any issues it finds. Simple and often surprisingly effective for minor glitches. Method 3. Repair Windows system files using command prompt. If your Windows system files are corrupted, the update process will fail. To fix it, you need to run special commands to scan and repair your system automatically. Here is how to do it. Press Start, type CMD. Choose to run command prompt as an administrator. Run these commands one by one, wait for each to complete. sfc/scannow. This should scan and repair system files. Next run DISM/online/cleanup-image/CheckHealth. DISM/online/cleanup-image/ScanHealth. DISM/online/cleanup-image/RestoreHealth. These should restore and fix health issues. Once done, restart your PC after all commands complete. Method 4. Restart Windows Update Service. The Windows Update Service manages downloading and installing updates. If this service is not running properly, updates will never work. Restarting it can refresh the whole process. Here is how to do it. Type Services in Windows Search and open the Services app. Press W on your keyboard to jump to services starting with W. Find Windows Update, then double-click it. Startup type is set to automatic. Service status says running. If not, click Start. If already running, click Stop, then Start again. Click Apply and then OK. This resets the service that downloads and installs updates. Method 5. Clean temporary and Windows Update files. Sometimes old cache, temporary files and failed update files can block new updates. Cleaning them can create enough space and clear broken files. Open Windows Settings. Go to System, then Storage. Turn on Storage Sense if it's off. Click on Temporary Files. Check these boxes: Windows Upgrade Log Files, Delivery Optimization Files, Download and Recycle Bin if you want to clear space. Then click on Remove Files. You can restart your router, modem and PC to eradicate any network error. Then check if this could fix the issue. And that's it. The best ways to fix Windows Update errors and get your system updated without any more headaches. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and tech tutorials. Ran into a different update issue or found another solution? Share it in the comments, it might help someone else. Thanks for watching Silicophilic and we will see you in the next one.